Read, learn, know with Miss Ro. Yay!
Hi everybody, Miss Ro here once again, and today I'm going to give you an honest review and some information about this escape room game. So everybody knows what an escape room game is, right? People go to an actual room and solve these puzzles that will allow them to leave the room as fast as they can. So today I'm going to tell you all the things that you have to know so you can transform your own place to an escape room. Well, you might have probably figured out like what theme we're going to have, right? So we're gonna have Alice in Wonderland escape room. Yay! Well, first of all, I'm going to tell you first how you can avail this kit. So guys, all you have to do is to visit the website. It's www.escapekit.com. And guys, you can find the details in the video description down below. So guys, on this page, you'll see the options such as concept, kids games, teens or adult games, gift card, reviews, blog, and account. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on account. So I suggest you guys register your account for easier access, and you can always go back to your downloaded kit anytime. So just type in your username and your email address and your password. So once you have registered, you can go ahead and log in, put in your username or your email address, your password, and click on login, and it will take you to this page. So now I'm going to go ahead and click on concept. Then you will have two options. I'm going to click on escape room. So it will give you some information about what an escape room kit is. So you can avail this amazing game for only $19. And you can have all the props and the materials that you will be needing and the guidelines that will help you set this up. And the best part is you can play it anywhere you want. So scroll down and it will take you to the games that we have. So we've got for kids and for teens and adults. I'm gonna go ahead and click on Alice in Wonderland. So Alice in Wonderland can be played by 8 to 11-year-old kids, and for an hour, you can have like 2 to 5 players per group, and you can set this up for 30 minutes. And just like what I've said, it's for only $19. Then scroll down and it will take you to how it works. So first of all, you're gonna have to download and print all the materials at home, and then transform your space, just put them up in the right places, and you're ready to play. Then click on add to cart and proceed to checkout. Then it will take you to the order confirmation. Just fill it out with your name and email address and the mode of payment that you prefer, whether you're paying through a debit card or a credit card or through PayPal. But I assure you that everything is safe right here. After that, you will receive a confirmation email and a link where you can download the entire game. And there you have it. You can now experience escape room at your own place. So now this is how the email looks like, and it will give you the link where you can download the entire game. It's going to be in a zipped folder, so all you have to do is to extract all the information, all the features to your computer. So this is how it looks like. It contains game to print, accessories, setup guide, printing guide, and the answer guide, and the acknowledgement escape video kit. The first one is the game to print. It contains all the props that you will be printing out so you can set up the place. So the accessories that you can print so you can use them for a photo shoot. The setup guide, it contains all the details of where to place those props that you have printed from game to print. And the answer guide with some kind of explanation of how to get to the right answer. And you have an acknowledgement video for purchasing this game. So guys, all the information and the details that you will be needing are going to be included in the video description down below. So you're going to have to check them out. So guys, of course, to give you that kind of like vibe in Alice in Wonderland, you can play all the videos and the songs or the background music from the setup guide. The links are right in there, or you can find them on the website of the game. Well guys, I won't be promoting this game if I haven't tried it myself. I've had a lot of fun playing with my kids last week. So, let's take a look. So I set up everything that we need, the labels, the puzzles that they're going to solve, and the materials that they will be needing. And also the surprises that I have prepared for them. And the last thing I set up was the big door, which shouldn't be visible for the players. And I'll also get the props ready for the photo shoot after the game. So everything is set and now we're ready to play. 1 hour, listen, you have 1 hour to complete the task, okay? So the first thing that you're gonna have to do is to explain to them the task that they have to do. So I came up with the idea of having 2 teams, so we did draw lots in the beginning. Then we started. We listened to the audio from the website and...
Order your heads cut off!
So there you go, the fun started.
Show you the right way. Just follow me. The important little road.
So they helped each other to solve the puzzles and to find the keys that will lead them to the next station or puzzle that they needed to solve to find the key that will help Alice to return to her normal size. But of course, there were times that they went blank and they were asking for some clues. So when this happens, you just have to refer back to the answer guide that will give you some clues and help the kids to solve the puzzles. Well, you can always cheer them up and remind them of the remaining minutes that they have.
Clock! Clock! Good job, clock!
Celebrate their success and of course be happy once they have found the keys. So there you go, they never gave up and the fun continued.
One hour later.
Finally, we've got the winners. But of course, don't forget the other team who tried their very best. And that's the wrap, everybody. And then we distributed the prizes for the winners. Well, I hope you guys had so much fun watching the video and I was able to convince you to purchase one kit. And you can try it yourself and take your family and friends to a thrilling experience of escape room. Guys, this is not only for kids, but we also have some packages or games for adults. So well, to all the moms and dads out there, it's also your chance to give your kids a real screen time break that will bring them real joy and fun with their friends. And to all the teachers out there, it's also one way for you to develop your students' problem-solving skills. So what are you waiting for? Purchase your own kit and let's start this fun experience. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, share this video to your loved one, and also follow me on Instagram because we're giving away some escape room games now. Anyway guys, see you in the next video. Bye!